How you doing, YouTube? NC Hill here. Today, Saturday, went out to South Carolina Gun School to do a defensive pistol training class. Learned a lot today. We did a lot of drawing from the holster, reloads, moving and shooting, stuff that you usually can't do at an indoor range or in your house. I mean, you can practice clearing rooms and drawing and stuff, but normally I would hope your weapons are unloaded. You're not in your house with loaded weapons. So got out on the range and sent some rounds down range. It adds complexity to your training. It gets that much more difficult when you add in the whole shooting and moving versus just moving and pretending to shooting or doing or drawing with an unloaded weapon, doing simulated reloads versus actual reloads, and learning how your weapon functions and operates, and the malfunctions that can occur. And I mean, I had like 4 malfunctions in the 500 rounds I fired, which I thought was a lot. 2 of them were one of them was mag related, and I think the other 3 were ammo related, as I was using tool ammo, steel cased ammo versus brass, because I didn't want to have to police my brass, so I shot steel. In the morning session before lunch, it did rain. We trained in the rain, and not every day is going to be a bright sunny day. You never know when you may need your pistol in a defensive application. So everything was good. We trained. The biggest issue was with the YouTubers there and us trying to film for our channels was keeping the equipment dry. So we had to improvise some stuff. After lunch, the sun came out and we had a great day. Since Such was there filming, and I'm sure he's going to come up with an awesome video on training and the school and everything, I decided to more or less focus on behind the scenes stuff and some of the comical things that can ensue when you get several YouTubers together all filming at one point. I think there may have actually, on the live fire line, there may have been more cameras than pistols. Also, I do have some tactical training in there, and towards the end, after I'd done at least 30 reloads, I decided on one of the moving and shooting drills that I would break out the Glock stick mags, the 33 round mags, and send some rounds down range, which ended up being about 80 rounds in 45 seconds, whatever it was. So that was fun, and I hope you guys enjoy it. You can laugh at the parts that you find funny. Enjoy. Here we go. Check this out. The things we do to be able to train and film in the rain. Here we are training today, defensive pistol. Got to set up so the cameras don't get wet. Behind the scenes was Such.
And that was your idea, right here.
That was my idea.
Setting us up.
Such actually shot his target off the thing. He shot the wood out.
Yeah, but it was right here where the flipping 2 was.
Oh. But if you see this right here, that's what knocked it off.
Let's see.
If y'all want to see something, here we are at Such double. We're only shooting from like 3 feet away here. But I want you to see there's been a lot of you can actually see the powder burns. See the powder? But I want you to look at all the taping that's been going on. So I'm over here. I've been doing a lot of taping, but I was shooting left and right handed, so you know how that goes. I'm not gonna tape that target.
He's like 14 years old.
By the way, Don goes everywhere with his cigar.
Right there. Okay. Hold on. We got
Whoa.
out, man.
Take 2.
Yeah.
Be sure to check out HPR for all your ammo needs. And flashlights, goinggear.com.
There you go. Yeah.
And
XT11. Excellent.
Excellent. Wow.
Point is, you've been knocked on your butt. You're going to have to fight your way out of it.
All right. Go ahead and lay back. Knees up or knees down. Now, if you're running knees up, remember, as you pull this firearm, you want to go over the top of that knee. You don't want to shoot yourself in the knee. All right? So, I'm going to say fight. You're going to go ahead and do this dry. Shooters ready. Fight. There you go. You pull it. Now, with one hand. If it's comfortable that way, do it with two hands. If it's only comfortable with one hand. Your choice. 2 or 3 shots. Shooters ready. Fight. Only one more time. Shooters ready. Fight. Shooters ready. Fight.
Shoulder, right? So you don't have anything else you need to address. All right?
Fight. There you go, cover. Yes.
Shoulder, make sure there's nothing else you need to do.
Fight. I'll hear bang bang. I'll say moving. Move. And I'm going to load up, come up here. Now, it's a good time that you can do it. Go ahead and start shooting, but be mindful of your reloads, okay? You don't want to go to slide lock and John's getting ready to run, nobody's putting lead down range, okay? So, at that time, maybe you move up here. I want to go ahead and put a new mag in. I'm ready to start shooting. Bang, bang. John hears me start shooting. He asks.
Moving!
I'll say, move! And I'm going to continue to fire. Bang, bang. All right? And when John runs up there, maybe he needs to reload. I'm going to still keep putting lead down range. Once I know he's up good, I'm going to say, moving! Move! Come back up here. Do the same thing. I'm going to start putting lead down range. So you kind of get the idea of what we're doing is we're working our way towards the target. Is everybody clear on this? I don't have enough with me. If 2 guys want to show this live, go ahead and get up here. John. some of you only got 2 or 3 mags. You got to see where it's kind of wait for it to run out, all right? It's a chance to work with other people. I'm out.
Leave it out here just
It's crazy the amount of ammo you can go through while having fun here.
It takes a couple times to do this to actually get the hang of everything that's really got to be going on. This is putting everything all together. Anybody else want to run? You guys ready?
Ready?
Ready. Fight!
Hope everybody enjoyed the video. I got one little last segment I'm going to show. It is me firing my Gen 4 G19 with tool steel cased ammo. I'm going to show the ejection pattern of the pistol while stationary. It's pretty consistent. I did take some brass to the face on some moving portions of our training that day, but I attribute that to moving into the ejected brass and whatnot. So I noticed on one of the videos I shot, it appears Suits did take a piece of brass to the face. I don't know if that was his Gen 3 or his Gen 4 pistol. He does have a used, he bought secondhand Gen 4 G17, and we believe it's one of the earlier models that still had the 40 caliber recoil assembly in it, and it hadn't been changed out due to the recall, and it probably also has the older extractor and ejector. So he's going to get that. We were talking about that, and he's going to get that looked into. So I just want to show a little video of me firing a magazine and the ejection of mine to show everybody out there that the Gen 4s are not broke. I talked to plenty of people that have awesome pistols. They say they have no problems. And I have went through mine and did the polish job and all that. And I've got videos out there if you want to go look at them on my channel that show the various things that I have did to that G19. So enjoy that, and I'm glad you guys watched the video, and hope to put some more out there.
You should be good. Going hot. Going hot.